Hi everyone. Okay, I'm introducing you today to CloudCreate, which is a brand new animation app. It's a cloud app, so it can be used on Macs and PCs. So I'm going to show you how simple, how quick it is. Just to let you know, it's going to be under $30, so it's a steal. Plus, there's going to be bonuses as well. So first of all, log in. And there you go, you get this screen comes up, so we close that and we have to create a new project. Okay, so there's lots of different pre-Dunphy templates, so you can choose what you want. You can pick ones as I'll show you and put them together, but let's start off with this one, I think. No, generic text. So we're going to add all, and it's as simple as this. You can see the 4 slides that are on the left hand side. So what we have to do first of all is pause the slide and just highlight it. So where it says subject title, we put introducing. I'm not the fastest typer. And then this one, that's wrong. Easiest. Fastest. Most affordable. Video animation. Explainer. Slide. Slide presenter. My spelling is terrible, as you can see. No, that's not in there, so that must be okay. Sorry, I'm talking quietly. I'll talk a bit louder. Presenter. The easiest, fastest, most affordable video animation explainer and slide presenter. On the net. What's going on here? On the net. Clouds. Works on PCs and Macs. And then we go to the next slide. So CloudCreate, and we can make that a bit bigger if we like, maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. Happy with that? CloudCreate. So quick and easy. Your grandma could use it. This is a very powerful tool at only at under $30. The bonuses are worth that alone. Well, they're actually worth more than that, but there we go. Move on to the next slide. So, image here. There we go. Nice picture to make you feel happy. You can add images as well. CloudCreate. Let's make that a bit bigger. I'll do that here. So let's know, should we say 80? Yep, that's good. And then what should we put here? CloudCreate. A tool everyone should have in their arsenal. As mentioned, it comes with bonuses. There we go. And let's add a new slide from a completely different. Let's have the beaver one. So we'll select this. Add selected. You can add characters to and then let's go to have that one. Yeah, we'll have that one. Add selected. Go to the web site. No, that's a different one, isn't it? Go to the website. reviewer.net. Okay, so that should be it. It takes a little while to so what we need to do is save it now. Save as CloudCreate 2. Put 2 because I've done one already. And it's saving now. Project saved. Okay. And then we need to export it. It's just doing its thing. Okay, there we go. Oh, no, not quite finished with me yet. I'll pause this for a second. Okay, that took about 20 seconds. So what we need to do now is export project. And this does take a little while. So I will pause this again. Okay, we're back now, and it took about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go to download now, and that has downloaded that into my bottom corner. Let me just move that up so you can see it. Oh, won't go high enough, but it's down here. So okay, that should be fine. So let's see if that's there. Okay, I'll have a look at that, but I'll get back to you on that. Hang on a sec. Okay, sorry, I made a slight error there, so I'm going to go back and show you what I did wrong. So what I did was, we have to go to open project, click CloudCreate 2, and then export project, and that now shows up in my downloads folder, and there we go. Now you can put voiceovers on this as well, and background music. That will be added later. I've got a beta version at the moment, but there's going to be background music there, and you can also sync up. You can record your own voice and do a voiceover as well. So but like I say, this is a beta version, so it may not look exactly the same as this, but it should be pretty much near it. So if you've got any questions, just leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please like this video. Liking is free, doesn't cost you a thing, just a click of a mouse, and it will be much appreciated. So I hope you enjoyed this, I hope it helped, and I hope you get it. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye for now.